In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the page ID in Notion. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you're customizing integrations or automations, as the page ID acts like a unique identifier for each page within Notion. First, let's begin by opening Notion on your device and navigating to the page for which you want to find the ID. Make sure you've logged into your Notion account, so you're ready to access your workspace. Once you're in, navigate through your workspace by clicking on Pages or using the sidebar to locate the specific page you have in mind. Once you're on the page, take a moment to glance at the URL in your web browser's address bar. This URL is going to be crucial for our next steps. Now, carefully look at the URL string. You'll see a combination of letters and numbers just after your page's name. This is where the page ID resides. It's usually found between two dashes, or sometimes at the very end of the URL before any question marks or hash symbols. To give you a clearer picture, if your page name is followed by a slash and several alphanumeric characters, those characters are likely encapsulating the page ID. These strings are vital because they serve as the unique identifier of your page across the Notion platform. Now, let's focus on isolating this ID. Simply highlight the portion of the URL that includes this unique mix of numbers and letters. Be cautious to not include any additional slashes or symbols that might appear before or after it. After highlighting, you'll want to copy this segment. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy from the drop-down menu, or by using your keyboard shortcut, which is CMD-C on a Mac or Ctrl-C on a Windows device. This ensures that you have the correct identifier without any erroneous elements attached. Once you have this section copied, you now have the precise page ID needed for any integrations or further configurations you might undertake. It's also helpful to paste this ID into a document or notepad for easy access later. When using this page ID, remember it's important to handle it with care, as it acts as a key to your specific page. Keeping it organized and secure will help maintain your workflow, especially when managing databases or performing advanced functions using Notion's API. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've learned how to identify and make use of the page ID in Notion, a task that can truly enhance your productivity within the application. If you have any questions or want to explore more about Notion's features, feel free to check out other tutorials we've crafted just for you. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!